Hey, my potato nuggets. Today I'm going to show you guys on how to make a thumbnail. First off, go to a thumbnail maker. It doesn't matter which one. Only if you can save the thumbnail. This is my thumbnail that I just made. Anyways.
Attention Medicare beneficiaries.
You can restart.
Please listen closely. You may be eligible for
You can go to YouTube thumbnail size or other size. Go to text.
907-3088 now. That's 1-866-90. Detailed information and help see if you
How to make a thumbnail. By the way, that is my grandma talking to my dog. I mean, to her dog. How to make a thumbnail. You can have effects if you want.
That's 1-866-907-3088.
You can make images and background. Okay, go with the black and white background. Oh, hey, Kevon.
Sit.
And keyboard. So I changed it to keyboard. Okay, you can make some stickers. Boom! Like, boom, there you go. Easy. Of course he does.
You got your shoe?
Of course he does.
Okay. You tear it up, don't say nothing. You know what shoe he got, right?
Them white shoes.
What white shoes?
Yeah.
Little rainbow shoes.
Them ain't no rainbow shoes. Them slides. Hey, Shorty!
You start tearing them up, don't say nothing.
Shorty! Okay, so now you have even more. You have white stickers.
Yeah, so that was last week, and fast forward a week, she has still not given
A
Jeffrey
bit of 100% premium quality.
says, you know, we've tried to make attempts.
Now you press done and you press image.
Donate the money. We're told Jeffrey will probably just donate it anyway.
Then it saves. Next you want to go to YouTube Studio. And once I upload this, you'll see the thumbnail.
Hi, I'm Chelsea from Philadelphia.
So I'll show you basically how to go to the thumbnail thing.
About it and try and get in touch with his team. But you know, if she's looking for some.
Alright, so you go to this. I put someone tried to scam me but failed and unfriend me. You have to go to this little right thing and you press edit thumbnail. Nope. Custom thumbnail. Go to custom thumbnail. You can go to this. I'm gonna put this one. Alright, select, then you press select and save. Then it'll say save and changes and you're done. So that's basically how to make a thumbnail. I'll see you all later. Bye!